It's Food Brainwash, boosting your cooking knowledge. In today's episode, we're going to be making pancakes as a nutritious, delicious breakfast that you can prepare easily the night before, keep it in the fridge and cook it first thing in the morning. Let's begin, shall we? And now we're going to prepare our dry ingredients. I'm going to sift my flour together with my baking powder. Now I'm going to add in my caster sugar and my salt. Whisk it all together. Let's add our butter in so we can melt it in the microwave. So open the microwave. Place your jug inside. As you can see, the butter has now melted. Be careful, the jug could be hot. Handle with care. So now let's add in the milk, the egg and the vanilla. So now we're going to whisk all our ingredients together. Let's heat our pan up while we're waiting for our batter. Place a tablespoon of batter into the center of your pan. Hi Joanne, you dropped by this afternoon and enjoying some pancakes and fresh fruit.
With my favourite banana. Delicious.
Do you make pancakes at home when you have for breakfast, or is it something you don't?
It's not. I used to for my children, but I don't anymore.
Okay. Because pancakes are a really easy, nutritious, delicious breakfast.
With lots of fruit. And is that maple syrup?
It is, yeah. Yes, it's nice, isn't it, though? Hi.